Hey everybody, this is Claude Massey, and I want to talk really quickly as a career coach in Tel Aviv, Israel, about how you can find a job even if you don't have a lot of experience. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to understand you have experience. You're a grown adult, you're definitely over 18, you've lived life, and you do have value to add to the workplace. You just need to learn how to put it into your CV in the proper words, in the proper way. Even if you're looking for a job outside of your experience, something above your experience, don't stress out on it too much. You can absolutely find the job. You just have to believe that you have the experiences, you have the knowledge and the skill to actually execute the job properly that you're going for. So behind that, of course, is you have to know what type of job you want. Once you figure that out, you have to believe and you have to know that you have the skill, the knowledge, and the experience to execute the job. So the second thing you have to do is you have to try harder. You're going to need to put in more effort than anybody else because you don't have a lot of experience. Even if you have some, and now you believe you have a lot, your CV might not express that properly. So you're going to have to try harder. You're going to need to put in more effort than the average person to get the job that you want. How do you do that? Well, you need to follow up on your CV. You need to be sending out emails, LinkedIn messages. You need to be making calls to the companies that you want to work for. Everybody inside of the company, hopefully the right people, are understanding your seriousness, your willingness to perform the job properly, and can sense your eagerness and your gusto and your chutzpah that you want this job and that you're willing to learn and to grow within the job. So make sure that the second thing you're doing is you're trying harder than everybody else in the marketplace to get that job. Even though you don't have experience, don't worry about it. Show your eagerness, show you're hungry, and put the effort in. So the third thing that you need to do in order to get a job in Israel, even if you don't have a lot of experience, is you need to be constantly learning and growing. This means you need to study. You need to watch videos. You need to read articles. You need to advance your knowledge upon the topic of the job you're looking for. So let's say you're looking for a job as a marketer. You need to be definitely constantly reading, learning, watching videos on how to be a better marketer. So this way, when you go into a job interview, you're using the right terminology. They can sense from you your massive amount of knowledge on the topic. So although you don't have the experience, you have the knowledge, and you've already shown your willingness in step number 2, that you're willing to grow and to apply this knowledge and to maintain an open-minded, constantly growing mindset. So those are the 3 tips that you need to definitely adhere to if you want to find a job in Israel, even if you don't have experience. Any questions, comment below. Please subscribe to the video or subscribe to the channel. And feel free to contact me if you need anything at all. www.claudemasseyconsulting.org. And you guys have a great day.